Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class, we will discuss about the data structures in Pandas, the basic data structures in Pandas, friends. So, in Pandas deals with mainly three types of data structures, friends, which is series number one, number two, data frame, and the other type is panel. These are the three types of data structures we are going to use in Pandas. So number one is series, number two is data frame, number three is panel. So let us discuss some things about these data structures, friends. So let us first discuss about series. So in series, the dimensions of this data structure is only one dimension. It's like simple like one dimensional array. We had discussed this in NumPy. In the NumPy, we had discussed ND arrays, right? If you had remembered that, you will understand this. That's why NumPy knowledge must need to understand the pandas, friends. Okay, so that's why I made NumPy tutorial beforehand to understand the data structures, friends. Okay, so the complexity will be increasing hand in hand. Okay, so by going to the some advanced topics, the complexity will goes up. That's why we need to understand the underlying concepts. Okay, so in the NumPy we discussed the ND array object. So there we had discussed a one dimensional array, two dimensional array, like that. So in Pandas deals with mainly three types of data structures. One is series, second is data frame, third is panel. In those three types, series data type is simple data type, data structure, which is having only one dimension. It's a simple. We had already saw this in the Python also lists. So it's simple list like or one dimensional list like or one dimensional array like. Okay. So the more details we will see in the next class. I am just introducing the data structures in this class. I will detailedly discuss about each data structure in the next class. Okay. And the data frame. Data frame is nothing but, as earlier I had discussed with you, data frame is nothing but a table. In case of MySQL and the database languages, we call it as a table. No? And then in the Excel also, we are dealing with tables, no? Which consists of data represented in the format of rows and columns. So same, data frame is nothing but a table which is having two dimensions. Two dimensions means 2D labeled. That means rows and columns. Okay. Labeled means this data under a common heading of rows, columns. So it's a proper format, organized, structured data. Labeled means. So unlabeled means unstructured data. So panel. The panel is another data structure of pandas which is having three dimensions, 3D labeled. So all these three data structures is linked one to other. So we can visualize these three data structures as given below. Simple. The collection of series, one or more series, will make up to data frames, and the collection of data frames make up to panel. So we will visualize a container within a container. Okay, a container which holds an other container. So it's like this data frame is a container of series. Okay, if you visualize the data frame as a container, and in this container series will hold. Okay, series data will be hold by the data frame container, and the total data frame container will be contained in the panel, which is called another container. Okay, so like that you can visualize this. So it will be better understood if I give the examples. Okay, and that topic I will discuss in the next class. So in this class, the scope of this class is what are the different types of data structures in pandas. So you come up and say there is three types of data structures, that is series, and the second one is data frame, the third one is panel. Series is a one dimensional data structure, data frame is a two dimensional data structure, and panel is a three dimensional data structure. Okay friends, and these are all the uh, one by one it will be visualized as a container of other data type. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss about some simple examples of each data type friends. Till then, bye bye, yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening.